Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make donuts using biscuits, an easy method for a quick treat. First, gather your ingredients. A can of refrigerated biscuits, about 2 inches of vegetable oil for frying, and sugar for coating. Next, prepare your biscuits by cutting out the centers to create donut shapes. You can use a small round cutter or even a bottle cap for this. Finally, heat your oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for frying. Now that your oil is hot, it's time to fry these delicious treats. Carefully place 3 to 4 biscuit donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for about 60 to 90 seconds, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once cooked, use a slotted spoon to remove the donuts from the oil, allowing any excess oil to drip off before moving to the next step. After frying, transfer your warm donuts to a wire rack to cool just slightly. While still warm, they are perfect for coating. You can roll them in granulated sugar, or for a spice treat, use a cinnamon sugar mixture. If you prefer a glaze, simply whisk together powdered sugar with a small amount of milk until smooth. Dip the warm donuts into the glaze for a classic finish. Enjoy them fresh. Your homemade biscuit donuts are now ready to be enjoyed. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve them immediately while they are still warm. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. They make a fantastic breakfast or a delightful snack. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.